In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete saved passwords on Google Chrome Mobile. Let's launch the Google Chrome browser. In the top right corner, tap on the three-dot icon. In the drop-down menu, tap on Settings. In the Settings menu, tap on Google Password Manager. Here you can see the saved passwords in Google. Deleting saved passwords from Google Chrome is important for protecting your privacy and improving your online security. If someone gains access to your device or Google account, they could easily view or use your stored login information to access sensitive accounts. Additionally, removing old or unused passwords helps prevent unauthorized access in case those credentials were part of a data breach. It's also a good practice if you're switching devices, sharing your computer, or using a public or work computer to avoid leaving behind personal information. Suppose I want to remove the saved password for Facebook. Tap on Facebook. Here you have to give your biometric code or screen lock code to enter for security purposes. If you tap this eye icon, you will be able to see your password. If you want to delete this password, tap on Delete. In the pop-up, tap on Delete again. Here you can see that the saved password for Facebook has been deleted. If you have a lot of passwords saved here and you want to delete them all at once, tap on Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Delete All Data. In the pop-up, tap on Delete. Here you have successfully deleted all of the saved passwords. If you don't want to save any new password from now on and you don't want to autofill the password to any website you visited earlier, turn off these two options. Following these steps, you can delete saved passwords from Google Chrome easily.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.